my channel. If you're passionate about maritime topics, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more informative content. Before we start, let me introduce myself. I'm Vince Joseph Puslon, a maritime student. Today, I will be discuss the requirements to be complied by ship under MARPOL Annex 5. The International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from Ships, or MARPOL Annex 5, is a fundamental component of environmental protection for ships. Annex 5 focuses on waste pollution in particular. The main goal is to lessen the harm that ships' garbage does to our maritime environments. We're discussing everything from food waste and plastics to operational waste. Let's start by defining garbage, which includes food scraps, household waste, and operational waste, but does not include fresh fish parts. The most important component is here: discharges that are forbidden. The answer is always no to plastics, no nets, ropes, plastic bags, or other synthetic materials are not allowed. The regulations are significantly more stringent in special areas, which are classified as fragile maritime ecosystem. It is frequently strictly prohibited to discharge practically any trash, even food waste. Verify the particular requirements for every special area twice at all times. Well, what are you able to discharge? Under certain circumstances, food waste is permitted to go more than 12 nautical miles from the closest shore. However, it needs to be ground or comminuted in order to fit through a 25mm screen. Beyond 12 nautical miles, cargo residues may also be released if they are not dangerous. Additives and cleaning agents are allowed as long as they don't negatively impact the marine environment. Always consult the specific MARPOL laws, as they are only basic recommendations. Ships carrying 15 or more people or 400 gross tonnage or more are expected to have a garbage management plan and a garbage record book. The plan outlines the steps for gathering, storing, processing, and getting rid of trash while on board. All waste discharges and incinerations must be recorded in the record book. For compliance and inspections, accurate and comprehensive record keeping is crucial. Understanding and adhering to MARPOL Annex 5 is essential for every maritime professional. It's our responsibility to protect our oceans. Let's all do our part to ensure a cleaner and healthier marine environment. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Stay safe and keep our seas clean.